Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, wherever you are. My name is mamuch&tech. Today, I'll be taking you through our social enterprise or a technology company. My name is mamuch&tech, as I've said, and I'm the managing director of CJ Innovate Enterprise Solutions. Now, CJ Innovate Enterprise Solutions is a company that is based in South Sudan with a humanitarian perspective, but a for-profit company. We have projects with our partners in the telecom industry, in the education industry, and other industries that assist together create solutions that are helping South Sudanese make their lives better. One of our projects, of course, it's called the Self-Me Water and Produce Delivery Platform. As you can see, on this platform, it is going to allow South Sudanese to be able to gain access to water from far and wide places. Self-Me project is done by CJ Innovate as a social enterprise solution in order to create opportunities, job opportunities for communities. Not only that, through this initiative, we create educational opportunities for those who are looking to start businesses on our platform. The way it works is that our ventures, brings together the customers and the water deliverers. So everybody can be a water delivery. Which means we take communities and train them on what clean water means and how they can deliver it into business models around that. So CJ Innovate Enterprise Solutions brings this as a social endeavor towards that direction. So what do? Well, we are first and foremost at heart a technology company. So some of the things that we do includes, for example, the following 6 services that we currently have. This means we have Android development, iOS development, cloud integration, telecom integrations, enterprise email, and of course, digital marketing. And all of these are encompassing a lot of industries that we are currently a part of. So this is a website development as well as web hosting services for the South Sudanese TLD, which is a .com.ss. Service. So for here, for example, you can search for ggf.com.ss for the South Sudan market, and you will be able to get that. So it says that this is available for transfer, but if I could click on register, I can be able to, for example, say Good Global Fund. And if I were to search that, I would be able to get all the TNDs that are available for here, South Sudan. So as a company, we try to bring solutions for a lot of industries and try to help our community in a way that they can benefit. Thank you so much for the opportunity and have a good